आज ਦਾ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕਰਨੇ ਆ ਵੈਲ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਗਾਣ ਦਾ ਸ਼ੌਕ ਹੈ ਆਫ ਕੋਰਸ ਗਾਣ ਦਾ ਸ਼ੌਕ ਹੈ ਦੈਟਸ ਪਾਰਟ ਆਫ ਆਰ ਕਲਚਰ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਪੋਇਟਰੀ ਦਾ ਵੀ ਸ਼ੌਕ ਹੈ ਬਟ how many of us can sing in different languages ਕਿੰਨੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਜਿਹੜੀ different languages ਅੰਦਰ ਗਾ ਸਕਨੇ ਨੇ ਅੱਜ ਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਗੈਸਟ ਨੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ she can not only sing in one or two languages she can sing in 14 different languages along with that she can play over a dozen musical instruments. That's right. Jado sochne aa, we think about it and we're like, how is that possible? I will tell you the surprising thing. She can speak, she can sing in Punjabi and in Hindi. Ye Punjabi aur Hindi dono andar gaande ne, par best part ye hega ki inna da background aur culture na Hindi hai, na Punjabi hai, na hi Indian hai. That's right. मैं और suspense नहीं रखनी I won't keep you in suspense anymore. I will introduce you to my guest, Danielle Reid. Sat Sri Akal, Danielle.
Hello.
It's so nice to have you here on the show with me today.
Thank you. Thanks for inviting me.
Oh, you're welcome. I met you, I think I heard you sing the first time almost 5 years, if not longer, long time ago.
Yeah.
And the first time I heard you, and I'm like, oh my God, it was amazing. You were so beautiful. Since then, I've heard you perform so many times.
Really?
And you just keep getting better and better. And now, of course, with the instruments and everything, you're really, I mean, tell me first of all, what got you into singing in different languages? Asi nali naal tode vaste translate bhi karte javange. We'll keep translating for our viewers as well.
Okay.
So tell me first of all, what got you singing in different languages?
Well, I actually have been singing, you know, in English, and then from church I would sing in Latin. I took Spanish since kindergarten. So, you know, just even in kindergarten you sing a lot of songs, and you know, my parents would get the cassette tapes, you know what those are, cassette tapes of different languages and like French. And then when I was doing NISMA, that's when you're when you're evaluated as a soloist for New York State. The higher level you went, you had to sing not in English but in Italian or German, and then that led me to, you know, someone said from the Indian community, someone said, well, if she can sing in those languages, she can sing in Hindi. And then someone said, if she can sing in Hindi, she can sing in Punjabi.
Really?
So, yes.
So that's what led to this.
Yes.
Okay. Well, ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਬਚਪਨ ਤੋਂ ਹੀ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਸ਼ੌਕ ਸੀਗਾ ਡਿਫਰੈਂਟ ਲੈਂਗੁਏਜਸ ਪੜ੍ਹਨ ਦਾ ਨਾਲੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਚਰਚ ਅੰਦਰ ਵੀ ਗਾਉਂਦੇ ਸੀਗੇ ਚਰਚ ਅੰਦਰ ਯੂਜਲੀ ਲੈਟਿਨ ਅੰਦਰ ਗਾਉਂਦੇ ਸੀ ਪਰ ਕਿੰਡਰਗਾਰਟਨ ਤੋਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਸਪੈਨਿਸ਼ ਲੈਣੀ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕਰਤੀ ਐਂਡ ਉਸ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਨਿਊਯਾਰਕ ਸਟੇਟ ਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਮਿਊਜ਼ੀਕਲ ਟੈਸਟ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਕੂਲ ਅੰਦਰ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੋ ਉਸ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਡਿਫਰੈਂਟ ਲੈਂਗੁਏਜਸ ਜਿੰਨਾ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਹਾਇਰ ਲੈਵਲ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਉਤਨਾ ਹੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਡਿਫਰੈਂਟ ਲੈਂਗੁਏਜਸ ਅੰਦਰ ਗਾਣਾ ਪੈਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰੀ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਿਸੇ ਇੰਡੀਅਨ ਬੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਜਦੋਂ ਸੁਣਿਆ ਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਕਿਹਾ ਵੇਟ ਅ ਮਿੰਟ ਅਗਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜਰਮਨ ਅੰਦਰ ਗਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਲੈਟਿਨ ਅੰਦਰ ਗਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼ ਅੰਦਰ ਗਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਫਿਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹਿੰਦੀ ਅੰਦਰ ਵੀ ਗਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਫਿਰ ਜੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਕਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਹਿੰਦੀ ਅੰਦਰ ਗਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਅੰਦਰ ਵੀ ਗਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਤਾਂ ਉੱਥੋਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਜਰਨੀ from there your journey started into singing with Hindi and Punjabi. So what is the first Hindi song you ever sang?
It would probably have to be Chura Liya.
Chura Liya?
Yes.
Okay, and what's the first Punjabi song you ever sang?
I think Latte Di Chadar.
Latte Di Chadar?
You know, everyone's favorite wedding song.
Wow, they broke you into that one.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, मैं अपने viewers ਨੂੰ ਕਹਾਂਗੀ कि if you know the song चुरा लिया है तुमने जो दिल को call us. We would love to hear your version and then ਅਸੀਂ ਫਿਰ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਡੈਨੀਅਲ ਦਾ version ਸੁਣਾਵਾਂਗੇ ਨਾਲੇ ਹੀ ਜੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਅੰਦਰ ਲੱਠੇ ਦੀ ਚਾਦਰ ਗਾਣਾ ਆਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਕਾਲ ਕਰਕੇ ਆਪਣਾ version ਸੁਣਾਓ ਫਿਰ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਡੈਨੀਅਲ ਆਪਣਾ version ਸੁਣਾਉਂਦੀ ਹੈ Now Danielle, you're singing in lots of different languages, not just Hindi and Punjabi and English.
Correct.
You're singing in 14 languages.
Something like that.
Something like, we're not even counting anymore.
Yeah.
We're way past that count. I just find that absolutely amazing. Do you speak all these languages as well?
No, I don't.
You just sing in these languages.
Yes.
Do you understand what it is that you're singing in these languages?
When I learn the songs, I know either like the meaningful words or basically what the phrase is about. So occasionally I'll know what the song is about, but usually I try to understand what I'm singing about. But if I've been singing it for a long time, I might not remember all the words, exactly what they mean.
Okay. The only reason I ask that is because when you're singing a song, if you know the words and the meaning to bring emotion to that song, the way that song then flows out of you is so much more different.
Exactly.
Okay. Now also, you recently also sung, I heard you in the dressing room back there.
Oh.
One of my co-hosts told me that you were singing Munni Badnaam Hui.
Oh, yeah.
So you I find that so funny. So you can sing old songs, you can sing Punjabi songs, and you can sing Munni Badnaam Hui too.
Yeah.
So you're keeping up with the trend of it.
A little bit.
How do you keep going with that?
Well, different people will say, I want you to learn this song, I want you to learn that song. You know, either for a function or they just think that that would be a good song for me to sing.
And you find it and then you start singing it.
Yeah. In the past, I had someone tell me, you know, word for word how to pronounce it and everything. But now I can just go, you know, on YouTube and then look up the
lyrics.
The lyrics, and it even might have the translation.
Wow.
So I'm very good at listening to the sounds and the pronunciation. Yeah.
Wow. Okay. Well, Danielle, basically, another कहना है कि you know it's in जे तुसी इनानु हुन थोड़ी देर बाद असी तुसी इनानु थोड़ी देर बाद गांदे हुए सुनोगे ए पुराने गाने भी गांदे ने नाले ही नए गाने भी गांदे ने. So she's keeping up with the trend. I know we have callers calling in because they want to sing their version of the song. ਅਸੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ calls ਹੁਣੇ ਹੀ ਲਵਾਂਗੇ. But at the same time, it's very interesting कि जिस तरह अपने आप ਨੂੰ ਸਿਖਾ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਤੇ ਪੁੱਛਦੇ ਸੀਗੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਿ ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਇਹ ਗਾਣੇ ਦੀ ਟਿਊਨ ਹੈ, pronunciation ਹੈ. ਪਰ ਹੁਣ ਆਪੇ ਹੀ she goes ahead and she does her own pronunciations and everything from YouTube, which is great because you can read the words and you can hear the pronunciation with it. You know what? I'm going to take these calls and then I want to come back and learn what do you know about the cultures of the songs that you're singing.
Okay.
So you know what? Let's take a few calls. सत श्री अकाल जी, आप किथों कॉल कर रहे हो?
हेलो, हाँ जी, सत श्री अकाल दीदी।
सत श्री अकाल जी।
हाँ जी, वैसे मेरी आवाज इतनी चंगी तो नहीं हैगी, ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਕੇ ਥੱਕ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ।
ओके, पर आप दसो कि आप साडे नाल केड़ा गाना गाओगे?
हाँ जी, लट्ठे दी चादर।
लट्ठे दी चादर। Okay, you know what? Okay, go ahead, सानू अपना गाना सुनाओ तुसी, but only for about 30 seconds, ठीक है?
लट्ठे दी चादर उत्ते सलेती रंग माया, आवो सामने कोलों दी रस के न लंग माया।
Nice.
Thank you. That was very nice. Thank you so much. And you're going to hear Danielle sing this song in a few. ठीक है? सत श्री अकाल जी, आप किथों कॉल कर रहे हो?
सत श्री अकाल गुरमीत, how are you?
I am doing very well. How are you?
I'm good. This is Kirti from St. Martin.
Hey Kirti, how are you?
I'm good. I know it's been so long, right?
It has been a long time since I heard your voice. So tell me, what are you going to sing for me today?
Churalia.
Churalia? Go right ahead. Let's hear it.
Okay. चुरा लिया है तुमने जो दिल को,
Very nice.
नजर नहीं चुराना सनम, बदल के मेरी तुम जिंदगानी, कहीं बदल ना जाना सनम, तुम मेरे हो तुम मेरे हो, आज तुम इतना वादा करके जाना, चुरा लिया। Thank you.
Wow.
Very nice.
Good job,
Very
Kirti.
impressive.
Very good. You know what? You're going to stay tuned. After the break, we're going to come back and Danielle's going to sing both of these songs for us. Thank you, Kirti.
Definitely.
Thanks.
All right.
Thank you.
You know what? ਜਿਹੜੇ ਵੀ ਸਾਡਾ ਸ਼ੋਅ ਦੇਖ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ ਹੁਣੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਛੋਟਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਬ੍ਰੇਕ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਨੇ ਆ ਔਰ ਬ੍ਰੇਕ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ Danielle's going to sing these songs for you. But we have a lot of calls coming in. ਅਸੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ calls ਲਵਾਂਗੇ. We also want ਅਗਰ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਗਾਣਾ ਆਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਮੁੰਨੀ ਬਦਨਾਮ ਹੋਈ give us a call. We'd love to hear from you too. Stay tuned. We'll be right back.